Greetings! Are you looking to explore a destination that blends stunning natural beauty, exhilarating activities, and the magnetic charm of an eclectic city? Look no further than Asheville, North Carolina. Tucked in the embrace of the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains, this dynamic city is sure to leave a lasting impression. Let's get started with the best experiences Asheville has to offer. Number 10. Step back in time at the remarkable Biltmore Estate. This American treasure attracts fans of history, art, and nature alike. The largest privately owned house in America radiates luxury and class. Stroll through the 250-room mansion built by George Vanderbilt. Every room is lavishly decorated, each one telling fascinating stories of the past. Head outside to check out the estate's well-kept gardens, filled with bright colors and lovely smells that shift with the seasons. If you're looking for adventure, there's a lot to do on the property, like scenic walks or exciting horse rides. And for the wine connoisseurs, a visit to Biltmore's own vineyard is a must. Here, you can savor award-winning wines while soaking in the breathtaking view of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The Biltmore Estate truly offers a unique, unforgettable experience for all. Hey, we know you're probably enjoying this video so far, so why not take a moment to give it a like and subscribe to Destination Dues. We've got exciting things on the horizon, including trip giveaways for our subscribers. Number 9. Ascend to the pinnacle of adventure at Mount Mitchell State Park. Situated in the beautiful North Carolina landscapes, this special place provides amazing views from the tallest mountain east of the Mississippi River. The main highlight of the park is definitely Mount Mitchell itself. Towering at a height of 6,684 feet, its top offers visitors stunning panoramic views of the rolling blue-green hills that extend all the way to the horizon. You can get to the top by taking a lovely drive along the Blue Ridge Parkway, followed by a short walk to the observation deck. If you love hiking, there are over a dozen trails throughout the park, each one offering a unique chance to discover the local plants and animals. Be sure to watch for colorful songbirds and majestic birds of prey. Nature fans can have a picnic while enjoying the cool mountain air and the sound of leaves rustling. And if you're interested in learning about the local natural history, the park's museum has lots of informative displays. At Mount Mitchell State Park, every turn reveals something wonderful to experience. Number 8. Dive into a green wonderland at the North Carolina Arboretum. Located in the scenic Blue Ridge Mountains, this lush haven is a must-see for anyone who loves nature and plants. The Arboretum is filled with captivating botanical gardens that display a wide variety of local and exotic plants. Take a leisurely walk down the tranquil paths, breathe in the fragrant air, and admire the bright colors of blooming flowers. Check out the amazing bonsai exhibition garden, where you can see the careful skill and patience it takes to grow these tiny trees. Or you can walk through the quilt garden, where complex floral designs imitate the patterns of traditional quilts. If you're looking for a bit of adventure, the Arboretum has miles of walking and biking trails winding through the woods, offering beautiful views of the nearby mountains. Whether you're a passionate hiker, a photography fan, or just someone who loves the beauty of nature, the North Carolina Arboretum provides a breathtaking look at the wonders of nature. Number 7. Step into a world of creative expression at the Folk Arts Center. Located along the beautiful Blue Ridge Parkway, this colorful center is a paradise for art lovers, history fans, and anyone interested in unique handmade treasures. The center has an impressive collection of both traditional and modern crafts that highlight the rich cultural diversity of the Southern Appalachian region. Walk through the center's 3 galleries, where detailed works from over 350 local artists are showcased, including hand-woven fabrics, pottery, intricate woodworking, and jewelry. Experience the region's craft history firsthand at the center's library and the Allenstand Craft Shop, the oldest craft shop in the country that's still in operation. Here, you can see live craft demonstrations and even take home a piece of Appalachian artwork. The Folk Arts Center is both entertaining and educational, showing the timeless charm of Appalachian culture and creativity. It's a must-visit for anyone wanting to learn more about the region's deep artistic traditions. Number 6. Embark on a journey through Asheville's acclaimed craft beer scene. Boasting the most breweries per person of any city in the U.S., and often referred to as the brewery capital of the United States, a world of beer-related pleasures is ready for you to discover. Explore a variety of unique breweries, from small-scale craft beer makers to large beer production facilities. Each brewery has its own unique story, told through their beers, as they combine traditional brewing methods with new creative ideas. Enjoy a wide range of beers, from light and crisp pilsners to hearty porters and inventive sour ale. Whether you're an experienced beer lover or just starting to explore, a brewery tour in Asheville offers a memorable experience, filled with rich tastes and distinctive beers that show off the city's booming craft beer scene. And now for our first bonus fun fact. The mysterious brown mountain lights have fascinated locals and visitors for a long time. These eerie lights, which change in color and size, sporadically appear over the Brown Mountain Ridge, creating a mystical display. Despite many different theories, no one knows where they come from, which only adds to the mystery. Many inquisitive travelers come to this area hoping to see this captivating phenomenon. You might be one of the lucky ones to see this strange light display. Number 5. Navigate the exhilarating rapids of the French Broad River. The river, one of the oldest on the planet, is a must-see for those seeking adventure and nature lovers alike. Rafting trips are available for all skill levels, from easy floats perfect for families and beginners, to challenging Class 4 rapids that will excite experienced rafters. As you navigate the rapids, take a moment to appreciate the green riverbanks, home to a wide variety of animals. If you're looking for a more relaxed experience, consider a peaceful kayaking or stand-up paddle boarding session. No matter what you choose, the river promises an unforgettable water adventure, set against stunning natural scenery. Going down the rushing waters of the French Broad River is more than just taking on the rapids. It's about experiencing the grandeur of nature firsthand, creating memories that will stay with you forever. Number 4. Step into the vibrant world of the River Arts District. Once used as factories and warehouses, these buildings have been repurposed into active studios and galleries, home to over 200 artists working in all types of mediums. Take a walk through the district and see the amazing process of art being made in open studios, where artists like painters, potters, sculptors, and weavers bring their ideas to life. Each visit to a studio is a unique experience, giving you a look into the artist's vision and their creative process. Enjoy the vibrant street art scene, where murals filled with color liven up the neighborhood, turning every walk into an art tour. Stop at the many galleries, where you'll find diverse collections of art on display, from modern pieces to folk art. Whether you're a serious art lover, an avid collector, or just a casual visitor, the River Arts District offers an exciting exploration of Asheville's active art community, adding a colorful and inspiring element to your visit. Number 3. Experience culinary delight at one of Asheville's many restaurants. The city is a true foodie paradise, featuring a remarkable variety of restaurants, each with its own special appeal. Whether you're enjoying delicious Southern comfort food, trying out colorful vegan dishes, or treating yourself to top-notch fine dining, Asheville's food scene has something for everyone. Many places get their ingredients locally, making sure their dishes are fresh and tasty. Eating out in Asheville is more than just having a meal. It's a journey for your senses that lets you appreciate the flavors, smells, and the friendly atmosphere that make this city a favorite among food enthusiasts. Number 2. Discover the untamed beauty of the Pisgah National Forest. Covering over 500,000 acres in the heart of North Carolina, this natural playground is a dream come true for those who love the outdoors. The forest is home to a wide variety of landscapes, from waterfalls and fast-moving rivers to high peaks and dense forests of hardwood trees. Take to the trails and wander miles of paths throughout the forest, each leading to stunning views or quiet spots perfect for a picnic. You'll find plenty of opportunities for activities like hiking, mountain biking, and horseback riding, suitable for everyone from beginners to experienced adventurers. A unique attraction adds a thrilling touch of fun: the sliding rock. This natural water slide was smoothed over time by a mountain stream. Climb up the gentle incline and get ready for a cool ride down into the 8-foot-deep pool below. It's a great way to cool down in the warm summer months, and sliding rock promises fun for the whole family. Lifeguards are on duty during the busy season, adding a level of safety to the experience. In the vast areas of Pisgah National Forest, every day is a new adventure, offering endless exploration and immersive experiences with nature. time for our second bonus fun fact. Asheville is well known for its yearly National Gingerbread House competition. This delightful event attracts participants from all over the country. It's more than just a contest, it's a showcase of creativity and holiday cheer, with competitors building everything from fairy tale cottages to detailed palaces. Visitors get to enjoy a feast for the eyes that sparks amazement, stimulates creativity, and adds to the sweetness of the holiday season. Number 1. Discover a lakeside gem at Lake Lure. Located just a short distance from Asheville, this beautiful man-made lake offers visitors a peaceful getaway full of water activities and stunning views. Dive into the peaceful pace of lake life as you take a relaxed boat tour, discovering hidden corners and admiring the green mountain landscapes surrounding the lake. If you're looking for a more active experience, Lake Lure's calm waters are ideal for activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and swimming. Next to the lake, there's a sandy beach and a water park, featuring a water slide and water games, providing a fun way to cool down during the summer. There are dining options by the lake that serve tasty meals along with magnificent views, making every meal an experience to remember. With its tranquil waters and the impressive Blue Ridge Mountains lining the horizon, Lake Lure provides a stunning setting for a relaxing and engaging lakeside vacation. It's truly one of North Carolina's most picturesque gems. And there you have it. We'd love to hear from you now. Did we miss covering one of your favorite spots? Let us know in the comments sections below. And one last thing before you move on to watching something else. If you haven't already, show us a little support by giving this video a like and by subscribing to Destination Dues. Tap the bell to turn on notifications, that way you'll keep up with all our latest and upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next adventure.